Do you have any idea why do liquid medicines remain stable, sweet and uniform? In this video, I am going to explain all the excipients used in the preparation of liquid dosage forms. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pharma Talk with Imran. In today's video, I am going to present a new topic called as excipients which are used in the preparation of liquid dosage forms. Liquid dosage form. So here the liquid dosage forms are the pharmaceutical preparations in which the drug is either in the dissolved condition or it is suspended or it is emulsified in a suitable liquid vehicle or solvent. Now what are the excipients? What is the definition of excipients? The excipients are the pharmacologically inactive substances, means they does not produce any action on the body, means they do not have any action. Why they are added? Means they are added to improve the stability of the formulation, they are added to increase the solubility of the ingredients in the solvent, then they are added to improve the taste and appearance of the formulation, and they are added to ensure the uniform dosage delivery from the dosage form. Now, what are the different excipients which we are using in the liquid dosage forms? So, first thing, the first excipients, the main excipient which we are going to use is vehicles or solvents, in which all the other ingredients are going to dissolve. Then the next ingredient, main ingredient is co-solvents. So when any of the ingredient is insoluble in the main solvent, then we select a co-solvent to increase or to enhance or to solubilize that poorly soluble or insoluble ingredient. Then we use sweetening agent to mask the bad taste. Then we use preservative to protect the dosage form or the formulation from the microorganisms. Then we use antioxidants. Then we use buffers to maintain the pH. Then we use viscosity enhancers to maintain the viscosity of the formulation, and we use suspending agent to in order to suspend or equally distribute the solute throughout the formulation, and we use emulsifying agent to emulsify the drug in the formulation, and we use flavoring agent in order to provide a good flavor to the formulation, and we use coloring agent to produce or to impart a good color to the formulation, and we use chelating agents also. Now the solvents, or you can say the vehicles. Here there are two types of vehicles. They are called as aqueous vehicles and non-aqueous vehicles. Aqueous vehicles usually contains water. Non-aqueous vehicles usually contains organic solvents. So example for these vehicles, like we use purified water. It is the most common solvent, and we use aromatic waters. It is used to improve the taste, and sometimes we use syrups to sweeten, that is to impart a sweetening taste to the formulation, and sometimes we use elixirs, alcoholic sweetened liquids. Now what are co-solvents? So co-solvents are also liquids, but they are water miscible, means they are easily mixed up with the water. There is no phase separation, and they are organic solvents, Why they are added means to increase the solubility of poorly water soluble drugs. Means in the formula or in the ingredients, if any poorly soluble drug is there or solute is there, to enhance the solubility of this poorly soluble drug or solute particles, we use another solvent that is called as co-solvents. What they do, how they increase the solubility means they reduce the polarity of the solvent system and they improve the drug solubility. So here are the some examples for co-solvents and how much concentration we are going to use and what are the main uses. For example, we use ethanol as a co-solvent and what is the strength? 5 to 20% used as elixir. And we use glycerin as a co-solvent. What is the concentration? 20 to 30%. It is used in the form of syrup. And we use propylene glycol. What is the strength? 10 to 40%. We use in case of oral and injectables. And we use PEG 400, that is polyethylene glycol 400. That is not exact strength, there is a variable, and we use in especially liquid bottles. Then the sweetening agents. Sweetening agents are mainly added to improve the taste of the formulation. Especially when the formulation contains a bad taste or bitter taste, we use sweetening agents. Here are some examples for sweetening agents. Like sucrose, most commonly used a sweetening agent. Then we use sorbitol, that is sugar free, and we use mannitol. It also produces a cooling effect. Then the next category is preservatives. The main use of preservative or purpose of adding preservative is to protect the formulation from microbial contamination. There are some ideal properties or a criteria for that we use preservative. That is, it is effective at low concentration and it should be non-toxic and stable over all pH range. If we are going to select a preservative, then these criteria are very much important to select a preservative in the formulation. Means it should be effective even in the low concentration. It should not produce any harmful effect and it is stable over all pH ranges. Here are some examples like methyl paraben used as a preservative at a concentration of 0.10. We use propyl paraben at a concentration of 0.02. Sodium benzoate at a concentration of 0.10%. Benzyl conium chloride 0.01%. And the next category is antioxidants. There are two types, that is water soluble antioxidants, then oil soluble antioxidants like ascorbic acid and sodium metabisulfate. Here example is butylated hydroxy anisole, then butylated hydroxy anisole BHA. Then we use buffers. What is the purpose means? To maintain the pH of the formulation, we use buffers. They are added to improve the stability and the solubility. Example, citrate buffer is there, pH range 3 to 6%. Phosphate buffer is there, pH range 6 to 8%. Acetate buffer is there, pH range is 3 to 5%. Then viscosity enhancers. The main purpose is to improve the mouth feel and to reduce the sedimentation in case of suspension. If the liquid preparation having low viscosity, Then the solute particles will get easily settled down. Especially it is a problem in case of suspension. In the suspension, we supposed to distribute the particles throughout the liquid system uniformly. But if the viscosity is low, what happens? The particles will settle down, and that will be there is a problem in the uniform distribution of the solute in the liquid system. Then there is a dosage error. Okay. The examples we use as a viscosity enhancers are methyl cellulose, sodium CMC, then HPMC, that is hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Suspending agents. The main purpose is uniform dispersion or uniform distribution of insoluble solid particles. What should be the ideal properties we can expect from the suspending agent is high viscosity at low concentration and should be non-toxic and compatible with other ingredients. Example like tragacanth we use, it is a naturally occurring. Like acacia we use, that is also naturally occurring. Bentonite, it is a clay. Then xanthan gum, it is a synthetic, not a naturally occurring. We are going to prepare in in the laboratories. Then emulsifying agents, it is used to emulsify. Especially in case of emulsions, it is used to reduce the interfacial tensions. Because in the emulsions, we are using two immiscible liquids. Two immiscible liquids, that is mainly oil and water. They are immiscible liquids. To make them miscible and to achieve a single phase, we use what? These suspending agents, sorry, emulsifying agents. There are various types of emulsifying agents like natural, like acacia, gelatin, and synthetic also available like Tween and Span. Flavoring agents, mainly added to improve the flavor, or you can say the smell. Like we use peppermint, used in case of antacids. We use orange oil, especially in case of bitter drugs. Then raspberry, in case of pediatric syrups. Then coloring agent. The main purpose is to improve the appearance of the formulation and for product identification also. Example, caramel we use tartrazine, erythrocyan.